Hi, I'm Mika.
I'm Jiajian.
I'm Ian.
And I'm Brandon.
This is our beloved teacher, Cikgu Haida.
We are from SMK Seri Sentosa. Tons of organic waste ends up in landfills, contributing to pollution and harming the environment. But what if we could transform that waste into something beneficial for our plants and soil? Introducing our 24-hour fertilizer system, a fast, eco-friendly solution that turns waste into rich, usable fertilizer.
Our system uses a heating pad to generate consistent heat, accelerating the natural breakdown of organic waste. With the help of a temperature sensor, we maintain the optimal conditions for decomposition. The moisture sensor ensures that the waste maintains the right humidity, speeding up the microbial process. While it may not be fully matured in 24 hours, the system produces a partially decomposed fertilizer, rich in nutrients, ready for use.
Our system includes a heating pad for consistent warmth, a temperature sensor to monitor and adjust the heat, and a moisture sensor to keep the humidity level in check. The LCD gives you real-time data on temperature and moisture, while the timer ensures the process stays on track. The outer layer is made from high-quality plastic to protect and secure the system.
Our 24-hour fertilizer system helps us reduce landfill waste by turning organic matter into valuable, nutrient-rich fertilizer. Though it takes 24 hours for partial decomposition, this system creates a safe, chemical-free fertilizer ideal for plants. Not only does it improve soil health, but it also supports eco-friendly farming and gardening practices.
First, put the waste materials in the 24-hour fertilizer machine through the above cover. Then, set the temperature from 60 to 70 degrees. You can also monitor the time needed for it to complete with the timer. Finally, after 24 hours, the fertilizer is ready to be used.
Let us turn waste into wealth, creating a more sustainable future with every plant grown.
Let's make the world greener, one fertilizer